Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve today's POTD. So today POTD is very unique, you can say, but there are thousands of methods to solve this problem, but we are using the best optimal one that is best in time complexity as well as in space complexity, because interviewer might ask you like solve this in using constant extra space. So in that case you should know this solution, so it will be better to solve this question in constant extra space. Otherwise there are so many methods that use order and space, and I think they will pass in here in GFG, but I think that can create issue in value in your interview. So what we are given a linked list, and we have to check whether it is a palindrome or not. Palindrome means like from traversing left side and right side we get the same thing, like one, you can say 1 1 2 2 2 1 1. So this is the same like this and this, it should be same for odd number of values like 1 2 3 2 1. We can check this and this. Okay, so it should be same, but then it's palindrome, otherwise it is not palindrome. So one way is to like you keep push everything in a string or vector. Okay, reverse that vector. Okay, this is a string, then reverse the string. Okay, then easily compare. If it is same, then it means it is a palindrome, otherwise it is not palindrome. You know this property of palindrome, right? If you reverse the palindrome, it will be same, like 1 2 2 1. If you reverse this, it will become 1 2 2 1. If it is not palindrome, like 1 2 3 1, you will reverse, you will get 1 3 2 1. It is not same. Okay, so this is the property of palindrome. You can say any palindrome sequence, palindrome array, palindrome string, whatever, reverse of that will be same as original one. Okay, if that thing is palindrome. Okay, so what I am doing is I am here applying two simple algorithms. Okay, so first algorithm is to find the mid. What is that algorithm? This is Tortoise algorithm that finds the mid of a linked list in order n, in like without any extra space I am finding. Okay, so let me explain that thing. Okay, remove this. Today I'm not going in blackboard side, I'm explaining here only. Okay, so suppose there are two nodes. Okay, four nodes, let's say. So what I will do, I will keep two pointers. One is slow and one is fast. Slow will be here and fast will be here. What I will do, in each step, slow will move one and fast will move by two. So after one step, slow will be here and fast will be here. Okay, and if we have reached the last node, we will not move forward. So this, now the slow is our mid pointer. For the case of 6, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. This will be our slow and this will be our fast. After one step, this will our slow and this will our fast, because fast is moving from here to here. Okay, then after slow will here and fast will go here. Okay, no, slow will not go here, slow will go here in second step, then slow will go here. Okay, so this will be slow ultimately. Okay, let me again run the example, because I want to make things clear as much as possible. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Slow, fast. One step slow will be here and fast will be here. Another step slow will be here and fast will be here. We have reached the end of linked list, so this is our, the slow is our final mid. Okay, so you can easily understand, like one person is moving one step and another one is moving two step each time. So whenever the second person will reach the at the end, first person will be in the middle of the linked list or middle of the path. Okay, so this is the case for even numbers. Suppose there are odd numbers, so which one will be our mid? This fourth will or will be our mid, like n plus 1 by 2. If there are 7, then 4. If there are 9, then it is 5. Like slow, slow will here, slow will here, fast will move here. Then slow will here, fast will go here. Then slow will here and fast will go here. It is now. Okay, so that is a scenario. So this is a Tortoise algorithm. Basically, you can see the code here as well. I'm explaining the code today along with the logic also, logic, because this question is looking simple because you know the simple methods like storing everything in the array and then reverse the array and the compare, but that is not proper optimal method. Okay, so this is the finding the mid. So if we are given an if we are given a head, so we are slow, fast, we are until we reach the end. Like this is like we cross the end, and this is like this is the like this is like this. If it here now, and we have nothing more to traverse, this is the case. So what we will do, we will move slow by one and fast by two step, fast to fast dot next dot, and ultimately we will return the slow. So this is the function to find our mid. Okay, remember, in for the case of odd numbers, like if there are five, then it will return this middle one. Okay, and if there are fours, then obviously it will return which one. Okay, slow, fast, then slow will here and fast will go here. It will return this one. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, I hope this part you have understood. Now move on to the next part. So in next part, what I am doing, we suppose this is a string 1 to 1. Okay, let me take the example of that string 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. This is the example. What or this, what will be our mid? This is our mid, right? We know this thing very clearly. So, and string is connected this way. String, not sorry, linked list will be connected in this way. So what I want, okay, color change or not. Okay, let's change. So this is our mid. So what I am doing, I am changing the edges, these edges to like this. I am reversing string after the mid. After the mid, I am reversing the string. So this will become like the reversing the linked list. Sorry guys. So I am it reversed it. So now what we will do, and this break from here, like suppose. So what we will do, we will start one pointer here and one pointer here, and we will compare one one two two one one. So same, that means same. Okay, so ultimately, like, we want to compare from what we wanted to initially, what we wanted to one thing from here and one side, one thing from here, to compare like first and last, first and second, second and second last, third and third last. Okay, this way. So just for that, we reverse the edges from last half, last period reverse edges of last half. Okay, so for reversing the linked list, we have a separate code that I'm going to explain you as well, because today I'm in very good mood. Okay, so okay, so here, as you can see, this is the code of reverse. Suppose this, okay, this is our head initially, and it's sorry guys, linked list is something like this. So initially, what we will given this. So our current is our head, and previous is a null pointer, because there is nothing in previous. And next node is nothing. While current, like until we reach the end, like until we reach the complete traverse the list, what we will do, this will be our next node, right? This will be our next node. Now we want the reverse edges like this side now. So what we will do is connect this previous dot next to this previous. Okay, and this previous dot, current dot next to previous. Okay, this way. And now our previous will be shift to this. Okay, this will be our previous, and current will be shift to this next. Why we calculated next? Because we want to add. Now the next is this, like this is previous, and we want to assign previous to the next, because ultimately we want to previous to shift here. So that way we, like you here, like we can use after that, after updating current, we can use that also, because this current is this, but now current is this one. Okay, so things are simple. This is our next node, and this is our current. We connected current to this, and as we have saved everything in next node, now we want to move to this node, on this node, because current is connected to this, but we want to move to this node. Okay, so this is our next node. We connected current to previous and we have moved to previous because now we will connect let this node to this one, so that's why we move to previous. And current node also we progress current node by one, like this is our next node that we have said. Okay, so now this is our current. So again we will calculate the next and we will connect the current to previous. So you are seeing that like this is being like this. Okay, and then we again move the p to previous to this and current to this. Again we will do this way, this way, this way. So ultimately what we will say, when current will be here, previous will be here. So what is the head of this newly created string? Head of newly created string is nothing but previous. So this is a simple code you can remember it. Like if you are finding it hard, so you can just remember it because it saves a lot of time. Like you don't need to think much more about it, like wow this is happening. Just remember the code and I will explain why this is working. Because we are connecting edge like this, we are connecting, this is null, we are connecting edge like this. Okay, so or to move current from this to this, we just cast this next node. Okay, so this is the part. So we have reversing part also done. Okay, so now what we have done, the final example I'm taking. Okay, okay, one, two, one, one, two, one. This is like okay, and this is our mid. Okay, I explain why in six this will mid. So we have found mid. Now what we are doing, we are reversing the mid dot. We are reversing from mid dot next. Mid dot next is this initially. There is edges. So mid dot next is this. After reversing from here, we will reverse like this. And what is reverse will return? Reverse will return this new head. We are connecting this to this. Okay, this way. If we are not connecting, that's also fine. But we are connecting this. Okay, I don't know why. Like make the space constant. I'm connecting this to this. Okay, because otherwise think like it will get two strings. We can say. So we are connecting this to this. Okay. Now this is now these are the thing. Okay. So now we from where we want to check, we want to check from, we want this is our end. So this will be pointer 1 and this will be pointer 2 and this will be pointer 1. So we will compare from this side and this side. So we will start from this. So what is this? This is nothing but mid dot next, because we connected here the reversed head to mid dot next. So what we will pass? We will pass the original head as well as mid dot next. So we pass this and this to is palindrome function. Is palindrome function, what we will do, what this function will do, this will compare, this is head 2, right? Okay, this is head 2. So if the values are same, then go by one step. If not same, then return false. If not same, then return false. Otherwise go next to next. And one more thing, like if there are odd odd okay, one two one. Okay, so this will be our mid, right? And this will look like something like this. Okay, so this will be our head 2 and this will be our head 1. So they see, you can see like in the this part there are two elements and this part there are three elements. Okay, because after that it is going to null side, right? Because there is it, now it is going to null. So in this part there are there are two elements. In this part there are three elements. So if the linked list length is even, then it will be split into half half. But if it is odd, then one more element will be this side. Okay, because as our mid is this mid one, mid is this middle one, and after that we are reversing. Okay, so what we will do, we will compare these to this. Like if whenever we reach the completed the head to like this side, then it means we have traversed the two element from this side, two element from this side. And if there is something remaining, that is because of odd, and it will not create any error because 2 and 2 are same. This will be in middle, so it will be still it will be a palindrome. Okay, so that's why we are here, not head 1 and head 2, only head 2 is there, because there are less, there might be for the case, in the case of odd length, the number of elements will be less in head 2. So we want to compare head 2 elements only. because 1 2 1 2 is 2 and 3 and 3 1 2. So then compare these three and these three, and middle one will not create error. Still it will be palindrome. Okay, so this is a method, and I will add the code in comment. I will add the code link in comment section. I hope I have cleared all the doubts and all the process I have explained clearly, as well as I have explained how you reverse iteratively. This is the method to reverse the string iteratively. Sometimes interviewer asks you reverse the iteratively, not recursively. You know the recursive form, but sometimes it asks you reverse iteratively. So then it might be useful. And finding the mid, I have explained Tortoise algorithm. I suggest you to watch article, to see article on Tortoise algorithm. There are so many good questions on Tortoise algorithm as well. So I hope I have cleared everything. So please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt in not clarity about what I am doing anywhere, so please ask me in comment section. Thank you guys.